around 45 years old female. He is a resident of Canada, non-resident Indian. She presented with mark thinning over the top of the head for last 6 to 7 years, and after quite a time which she took for reviewing everything, and her son, who is expert in internet, they ultimately found us and wanted to have the hair transplantation done from us. So we evaluated, and ultimately it was agreed that about 700 hair they were needed to top up the thinning of the hairs which were at the top of the head, that is the vertex, the front, and slightly back towards the occipital region. So as she's a female, she was not wanting to have her hair cut. So a limited area, donor area at the back of the head, that was used to have the hairs which were there as the donor hairs. So now the area which we have shaved off for taking the grafts has been covered by the hair which are coming from above, so that it gives a natural and normal appearance to her, and she does not have any inferiority complex for that. Now, important thing was that we had not to shave her hairs, and the roots which were already existing and the hair which were already there, they had to be saved. So with no shave technique in front, we implanted the hair roots in between the hairs which were already there, so as to give a very good density to the top of her scalp. So we did not shave it off. We implanted the hairs right with the no touch technique of the roots, and ultimately we were successful that we could do it without shaving of her hairs, and she was moving around the very next moment. It took us just 2 to 3 hours to complete the whole procedure, and we are very happy that we have been able to do it, and she also feels happy. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਹੁਣ? ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ? No. She does not have any problem. ਕੋਈ ਦਰਦ ਦੂਰ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ. She is comfortable, and she wants that the surrounding areas which were left, as she did not want it to get now, she wants to get it in the near future. We hope that